Okay, so after sorting out the wiring, some wires are fixed properly and with a shrinking tube, you know, and some other temporarily, just to make sure that the function is still there. I can tell that the startup sequence is behaving normally. So ABS warning lights goes off after initial sequence. The only thing missing now is the high beam light. High beam light is not working, so I need to find out if there was maybe another hotspot in the wiring that could be causing this. But regarding the problem that I had, the heated grips wiring was actually the culprit. I mean, overcurrent through those wires were causing overheating, and insulation was burning out, and after a while, I don't know why the fuse was not coming into play. It was 4 amps fuse, which is nominal value, and it was just fine, but it just didn't act fast enough, which is to be expected for these melting fuses. Nothing strange here, but it's high beam that I need to find why is it not working.